Let me elaborate why I say they are flawed. 4 minutes and 37 seconds into this video, Sikyong Losang Sangay states that these allegations on the band are baseless without evidence. That is not true. How do you explain the signs that are placed publicly outside shops, clearly denying the entrance and service to Shukden practitioners? How about public signs denying medical aid to Shukden practitioners that are hung outside monastic clinics? As far back as August 1998, the Department of Religion and Culture demanded that Garden Shakje Monastery expel all monks who are still devoted to Dorje Shukden. One more. The Department of Security in May 2000 issued a letter to the abbot and administration of Garden Shakje Monastery prohibiting monks from attending DS events. In fact, they were asked to, maybe not asked, but a stronger word, directed to identify and expose the monks who would attend DS events such as the annual Great Prayer Festival in Nepal. Now, you tell me, if that is not marking the journey of discrimination, what is? Next, children go to schools. That is true. But what he failed to expand on is, while the children are in school, and as long as their parents remain the practice of Dorje Shukden, these innocent children, young children, are identified, scrutinized, isolated, and bullied to the point that they have to be taken out of school. Now, in 2014, there was a Q&A session at the Tibetan Children's Village, TCV, school. And during this session, Sikyong Losang Sangay was questioned about the DS ban and the resultant discrimination. The children asked specific pointed questions such as, why does the CTA continue attacking Shukden practitioners? Why not have a dialogue? Why not resolve this issue? And they said clearly that this attacks on Shukden practitioners is causing disunity in the Tibetan community. Later, they also asked, how come the Sikyong claims that nobody has been expelled from Tibetan community, yet the children have read in Ume Lam books authored by Dalai Lama himself that Dorje Shukden practitioners should not support Ume Lam. The students further confirmed that they witnessed discrimination because they have seen those signs that are